So, our American journey, American trip, American crossover from one side to the other officially started. And we started with Valley of Fire. This is a state park north of Las Vegas. We're gonna be driving into the state park and maybe spend 2-3 hours and then off to somewhere else. There's the car there. I officially saw 80 miles per hour for the first time. Not supposed to, because over here the maximum is 65. The car handles itself very, very well. Driving at 80 miles per hour, it was only revving 2. Very, very comfortable. So we carry on. Okay, so we're officially in now. We had to pay $15, and we came in from the west side, and then we're going out from God knows where. We'll see. Okay, our first stop in the state park is at the Beehive Rock Formations. If you notice, the rocks here looks like beehives. That's a very interesting area. Lots of people stopped here. And look what there is here as well, to make this place more nice or more unusual. The Cybertruck, this beautiful color. The formations are quite unique as well, eh? Not just the color being red, because they're really red, but even the formation themselves, it's something. Look for this one example. See? It's a massive park. Really, really big. And then you stop in all these spots, you know. Then there's people, they like hiking, and they go and can be here forever. Then in these parks as well, there's trails where you can do. This trail is about 2 miles. I mean, getting there is not bad. It's getting back to the car now, because it's all gonna be hilly, you know. But we're only here once, and we might as well see what there is to see, you know. Suppose I'm approaching some canyons. We should be almost there. It's very, very quiet, as you can probably hear my footsteps, you know. It's red sand. And look at the surroundings, you know. Okay, this is the end trail. This is what they call the canyon. It's quite high. And now we go back. Okay, another trail. This you have to really be careful, you know, when you're walking on this, because it can be really, really slippery. I slipped about 2 times, you know, already. So it's another trail towards the wave. The wave, it's called. Apparently it's the nicest in the whole state park, you know. Looking forward to see this as well, because I wanted to come to this park because of the pictures I saw of the wave on the internet. So now we're finally here with lots of other people. Like I said, in these type of places you can come here for 3-4 hours, or you can come here for 8 to 10 hours. We're not doing all the trails, we're not doing all the points, because we have other places to go to today and time goes by. But then, like I said, you know, it all depends to the people. If you want to come here the whole day, you're going to find things to do the whole day, for sure, 100%. Now look at this section, how it all is. Nice, eh? Really nice. This is nature at its best. America have the nicest state parks all over America, you know, in the world, in my opinion. So this is the wave. The wave. It's nice to see it from up here as well. I'm actually gonna go down. Now I can understand why they call it the wave. Because this rock formation, it's like a wave, really. Look. I don't know how it's showing on the video, but with the eye, it's really, really red and white. So beautiful. It's really amazing. Really, really, really amazing. No wonder it's called the wave. You see, it's all like a big wave coming down, you know. It's so nice. I cannot have enough. Beautiful. Okay, we are out of the park. Very interesting, very nice. We enjoyed it. We done the trails. Now we are driving towards Lake Mead. Lake Mead. Okay, this is the viewpoint of Lake Mead. It's drying, you know, it's drying. There used to be water up until where it's white, you know, where it's drying. Apparently, there's a volcano there and a volcano there, and round about 2020 one of them erupted. In fact, that's why you see the stones black here, you know. It's a very open area, as you can see. There was a sign saying viewpoint, so we stopped. And now we're talking to this guy here, and he's explaining to us and everything. And then we keep going. Very interesting. So this is the part that you go up towards the Hoover Dam. I'm looking forward to see this. This is a very popular place to come and visit. Still climbing. Climbing. Hopefully soon we're there. So we're still walking. And look down as well. That's the Hoover Dam, look. See it? This is very nice viewpoint to see the Hoover Dam. So what you see there is Lake Mead, and this is the Colorado River, and that's the Hoover Dam. Very nice area, highly recommend it. It's only about 35 miles, something like that, from Las Vegas. So you can easily come, you know. You can drive all the way down there where all these cars are driving, and actually drive over the Hoover Dam to the other side. But we came up here because this is the best way to actually see it from here, you know, and how it is exactly.